Hello everyone, welcome to my channel.
Like what?
So, this vlog is starting a day earlier because I have planned something crazy and it's for someone who holds a special place in my life. I have really planned this from months. So, I don't know how he's going to react, and I have just said him to pack his beach kind of outfit, so he doesn't know where we are going, what is going to be happen, and nothing, zero clue. So I don't know how he's going to react, but okay. So this is a day earlier, so let's meet you guys at 5 a.m. in the morning. Hi guys, good morning. So it's 5 a.m. in the morning and I can't speak loudly right now, but I'm leaving for the airport. My cab is down there, so I have to just leave. And yeah, let's meet him at the airport.
अपन वो तो बता।
That's a secret.
वैसे भी अभी बोर्डिंग पास आएगा तो समझ जाएगा कि कहाँ जाना है।
नहीं,
ठीक है,
नहीं समझेगा तुझे.
लेट्स सी, देखते हैं।
Actually, he couldn't guess because first we are heading to Chennai and we are taking a halt, and then we will leave for our destination. So he doesn't know what's going on. So let's.
And subject to air traffic congestion, we are expecting to land in Mugler.
Okay, because of the flight delay, he already got to know what's the surprise destination was. So where we are.
But the surprise was unexpected. I have never thought the place will be Andaman. Now let's see. The nature is with us. It's raining heavily.
It's very heavy. Now at our room. So quick room tour. This is how it looks. It's perfect, right? You liked it?
Yes, view भी अच्छा है।
ये सफल रहा. This is a mountain view from our window. We are ready. This is our outfit and we are going for cellular jail. So here's a display about cellular jail. What was it? And we were looking and we got some glimpse. This was the whole interior and exterior of a cellular jail. This was the clothes of them, and this was the law. The cellular jail display was here, how it looks way before when the freedom fighters were and how they were explaining all the stuff. So this is the view of exterior of cellular jail, how it looked. So this is the glimpse of that. Then so first we looked at the jail, how it looked from inside. This was very difficult. After we heard that they used to kept like this in those jail, our freedom fighters did so many things for us and we got this freedom. Like, it's so difficult to even think.
This is the cellular jail where our freedom fighters used to be tortured by the Britishers. Veer Savarkar ji, Bhagat Singh ji, and many freedom fighters.
There is no way someone can escape. And here's the execution chamber where they used to be hanged till death. And this was the second floor where we went, and we saw that where V. Savarkar ji kept in this jail room. This is how the jail looks like from inside, like the cell they used to kept, that is so small, not even an air could pass easily. It's very tough for them.
You see in the वीर सावरकर जी सेल वेयर जहाँ पे उन्हें काला पानी की सज़ा दी गई थी 10 साल तक। और ये जेल कोई मामूली जेल नहीं था। यहाँ पे ना खाना मिलता था, ना पानी मिलता था, कुछ भी नहीं मिलता और कंप्लीट टॉर्चर। ऐसा था 20 पाउंड कोकोनट ऑयल
मस्टर्ड ऑयल,
या फिर 10 kg मस्टर्ड ऑयल वो निकालना पड़ता था। अगर वो एक ह्यूमन कैपेसिटी से हो ही नहीं सकता, तो वो चीज़ फिर भी ये लोग से किया जाता। अगर ये लोग फेल हो जाते थे तो उन्हें जेल में कंप्लीट बंद रख जाते थे, टॉर्चर किया जाता। और आप अभी जेल देख सकते हो, और यहाँ पे ना उनको खाना दिया जाता था और जंजीर लगा के बंद किया जाता था। और यहाँ ऐसे ही वीर सावरकर जी ने 10 साल यहाँ पे सज़ा गुजारी है, जो कि अपने देश के लिए, फ्रीडम मिलने के लिए।
दिस इज द मॉडल ऑफ सेल्युलर जेल. The structure that you saw right now, this is the top view of the 7 wing. Currently it's only 3. Rest is where local people live, and there is the hospital that you see behind, where everyone is treated now. And there is the back view of water. This is the hospital I was talking about. And lastly, we saw the museum where everything was kept in detail. Every images were giving goosebumps to us, even by just reading. And this was the light show glimpse.
So we are now back from the cellular jail, and we
Just got changed ourselves. And so cellular jail is basically where our freedom fighters were kept.
were given काला पानी की सज़ा. So many of us, including me and her, didn't know about this at all. What our freedom fighters have gone through. So it was very difficult time. They were literally tortured. उनको ऐसे लिटरली जंजीर में बांधा जाता था, सब किया जाता था. तो बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट पड़ता था सब चीज़ें, एंड उनके लिए भी. और उनको ना खाना दिया जाता, ना कुछ दिया जाता. आप हमारे वीडियोस में देख सकते हो कि जेल कैसे होती थी. ना अंदर हवा आने की ज़्यादा जगह है, ना लाइट आने की जगह.
सिर्फ एक ही विंडो था, और
छोटा सा विंडो था जहाँ से एकदम ठीक से लाइट भी नहीं आ रही, ना हवा आ रही है. और वो छोटे से सेल में वीर सावरकर जी जैसे लोगों को, बहुत सारे अपने फ्रीडम फाइटर्स को वहाँ पे रखा गया था.
It was literally the goosebumps when we saw the light show, because वहाँ पे सारी चीज़ें बता रहे थे कि कैसे इन डिटेल उनको क्या क्या किस तरह से टॉर्चर किया जाता था.
सबसे अच्छी बात वही है कि इफ़ यू आर विजिटिंग अंडमान, व्हेन यू आर विजिटिंग पोर्ट ब्लेयर, डोंट मिस द लाइट शो, बिकॉज दिस इज द बेस्ट experience
you will ever get.
You will get to know everything, every detail about the Kala Pani Saza, every freedom fighter details, what Britisher did, when did Japan capture the Port cellular jail, and all, everything you will get to know about that. Don't miss the light show. It's one of the best, I must say.
And we should also be grateful for our freedom, and because of them we are right now. So it's something that we should respect and feel honored about life they have gone through because of the freedom. And our first day of Port Blair, and we'll head to second day of our trip, which is at Havelock. So we'll meet you guys tomorrow.
We will leave tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. Yeah, 6 a.m. we will leave. So see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.